Hello everyone, Mrudula here. And today I would like to thank Asian College and Juhur ma'am especially for the wonderful workshop they have given to us now. And it was really very informative and knowledgeable. And I've learned many things. And the icebreakers and the break rooms, they were really helpful for me. I would like to have more of these sessions from ma'am as well as from the college in order to have more knowledge about the things what they have been telling us. And today we have a session regarding social emotional learning for young learners. There were very great insights were given for us. Deep knowledge or the explanation which ma'am has given us helped us a lot, especially for me because I have a kid at home. I sometimes like juggle with the things, how to manage his emotional balance and all, how to tell him to manage his emotions and balance everything. Like I think I with these sessions I would be able to at least guide him in certain way, at least myself, before I guide him, because I have my everyone has their emotional imbalances sometimes. Like it's more important for us in order to make ourselves first aware of the things which we are, and then we have to judge the other things or we have to help the other people. So it was really wonderful, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful session.